What's up, everybody? Quick tip for you guys on a Tesla Model S back glass. So it comes with clips right here. It's two beads of urethane, one under the brake light, one above it. But brake light, you want to be careful. It has this wire here which goes through the glue, so when you're cutting it out, be careful not to cut it. See how it has that groove where the wire was right here? So when you cut in and out, be careful not to cut it wire, because if you cut the wire, you gotta buy the new brake light. When Tesla does it, they at Tesla, when they replace the back glass, they don't bother saving the tail light, the wire. They just add the new part and charge the customer. So if you save it, you could reuse it. If you're not sure, you gotta go buy it from Tesla. Yeah. This is for the body shop. So this was broken. I just took it out to save the brake light. It's going on that one right there. Alright guys, just a quick tip. That's it. That's my mess. Always show you my mess. And then I gotta put this one back on, because they see that they replaced the back fender, so I gotta put this back on. That's easy. That's it. So when you're working on back glass on Teslas, you either just order a new one or try to save it, and it's just double-sided tape. But when you put it on, it's easier for me here. I'll just put it in here, it'll fit. I scuffed that off, so it's a fresh paint, so I could prime it, so that's why it's all scratched up. Yeah, it goes in a groove. If you working on a car, it's not really gonna stay, because it might slide off, because it has a double-sided tape. What you want to do is put it in here, so you know what I mean, in a groove, and put small. You could risk it with this that way, glue it to the back glass and try to install it, measure it the way I do it on the new ones. I put little bit of beads of glue here, like drop of it, because it's not heavy, you don't need much. It's just so it's glued to the glass and it doesn't vibrate. If you don't glue it on with double-sided tape to the glass, just leave it on there. When he drives, it's just gonna go like this, make all the noise. You either have to measure it, make sure it fits, dry set it, make sure it fits. If not, put it in a groove, a couple drops of glue, because it's gonna stick higher than a double-sided tape, and then when you install the glass, you just press on it, and that's it. Just be careful with these. You have to make sure it's glued to the back glass. But since it's here, it'll be easier for me to do it. When it's on the car, it's a little bit tricky. That's it. Just be careful with these.